oh boy, listen up, because I gotta get this off my chest. You know how everyone thinks dogs are the best? Loyal, goofy, lovable furballs? Sure, that's true. But here's the thing nobody wants to admit. Cats are kind of incredible. First off, have you seen the way they move? Smooth, silent, like little furry ninjas. I come running into a room sounding like a stampede, knocking over shoes and sliding across the floor, but cats, they just float in like, yes, I am elegance incarnate. They leap onto counters like it's nothing. If I tried that, I'd face plant into the cabinet and sulk for an hour. And the balance, wow! Cats can tiptoe along the edge of a couch, balancing like circus performers. I try to do that. Boom! Tail over paws, crash into the coffee table. They land on their feet. I land like a stack of potatoes. Honestly, embarrassing. But what really gets me? The attitude. Cats strut into a room like they own the place. And the worst part? They do. I wag my tail, bounce around, beg for attention. Cats! They blink slowly and humans practically melt. They don't ask for love, they demand it. And somehow, they always get it. That's not just confidence, that's power. Oh, and furry. Don't get me started. Cats basically invented the perfect sound effect. Humans hear that little rumble and melt into puddles of happiness. Meanwhile, I bark my head off and people yell, quiet. It's not fair. Cats purr, and they're magical. I bark, and I'm annoying. Unbelievable. And naps. Cats nap like professionals. 14 hours a day. They've turned sleeping into an art form. I nap 14 hours and my human starts googling facts. Cats nap as long and humans take pictures and call them adorable. Total scam. Brilliant scam. So yeah, I'll admit it. Cats are sleek, smart, and totally in control. Us dogs may be man's best friend, but cats are the real masterminds. Just, don't tell the other dogs I said this, okay? I've got a tough reputation to protect.